started talking in 2002 about potential branding and logos for the trust at the time. There was myself, Lisa Davis and Rangimāori Ehunia. So yeah, 2002 we started pulling together. After a few iterations of a design, the final design is the tohu that we have on our whenua today. The design we decided upon is circular in shape to represent the O in Ōrākei. There are koru either side of the tohu. One side represents us as an iwi and our three hapu, te Tohu, te Uringutu and Ngāoho. And the other side represents the dreams and aspirations of our people.